Hey everyone, it is Monday, February 9th. It is absolutely beautiful out today. We are at Devil's Lake State Park. The truck says it is a balmy 35 degrees. I'm gonna go out with my dad today. We're gonna try to chase some trout here at the state park. So we love catching these things. They're delicious when they're smoked. Our freezer is empty, so we're hoping to get a few here, get them smoked, get them back in the freezer, and share them with everybody else. So hope you guys enjoy today and follow along. We'll see you out there.
This is called a finicky fooler. My Vexilar here says we're in 30 feet of water and I'm going to fish at about 25 feet. I had my other one out and I barely got it down the hole and caught a fish. That was before Josh even got here. They're fun to catch. They're really good smoked. I have baked them, they're not bad. But I use a little spoon with the treble hook, medium fat heads. There is perch in here, big ones too. Tom, my buddy, caught one last year. It was probably 12 inches. You put that down there, hook the line on there, release the bail, then you hook this to the flag. That minnow must be feisty. Yeah, it's gonna trip. Should be okay. See, the fish takes it, it'll pull on that line and then pop the flag up. Thought I was going to get done within an hour over here.
Don't jinx yourself.
I'll put the fooler over here. Might end up just putting a head on. You catch them with just minnow heads also. Keep moving my stop. That way I don't have to bring the Vexilar over here every time I want to set the depth. Go down. Wonder if I should try one at 20 feet.
Why not? Are they suspended?
Yeah, it's 30 feet here. We've caught them at 20. Caught them all the way down to the bottom too. Okay. That's about 22 feet. I'm gonna go get that fooler and set it up here. Jig with that other one. Man down. They also have quick sets for these too. They bend way over and then they set it automatically, but I don't like using those. Sometimes you can rip it right out of their mouth.
Blanked you again.
But I caught that one right away. Oh, you bit too. Oh, gone it. He's still there. Got my minnow. I didn't feel him. That was down towards the bottom. I better check to see if I got a minnow. Told you, bet.
Where'd you hook them?
Yeah, under the dorsal fin. Oh, he's still down there. There's one down there right at the bottom yet. There's a little bit of ice out here.
Yeah, that's good. I got my truck. Handy.
First one I've seen for a while. Couple of them.
That's good news. You've got some bites on your other stuff.
Right at the bottom, Tom.
Down by him?
Oh, he just slammed that.
Back down there. Well, you might not have it.
No, I don't think I just slammed that thing.
Why'd you miss it?
That didn't bite like a trout.
It was trout.
Biting that hard? Should I drop that dead minnow down there?
No, put a live one on.
Wow.
Still got fish on it?
No.
Scared them away.
Cow, did that freaking thing just freaking hammered it.
Like that.
That hit hard. Yeah, not very many big minnows left. So we'll put a itty bitty one on. Jeepers. Yeah, that's about.
Oh, that's
20.
a double?
Yeah.
That's 30? Yeah.
So it's
Okay.
20.
It was so weird it just stopped going down all of a sudden. It wouldn't go any further.
Oh.
It was probably sitting on top of a trout or something.
On his head.
There it goes.
Oh, is it off?
No, I don't think so. It just cleared some line.
Gone.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that was on there. Minnow's still alive. That's a big minnow too. Yeah, he could be better. Yeah,
Go ahead.
catch him.
No, you catch him.
No, you do it. No, you do
It's
it.
coming off the bottom for it.
Yeah.
No, you catch him. I don't want to catch him. You catch him.
Well, if Tom catches him, then I can catch another one.
Roll one trout in the back of my truck. See ya.
A dinner for you and Paula.
He smokes them. You don't bake them or anything, do you? They're not bad.
Yeah, that's what you were saying. I like rainbows, rookies, but the browns, to me they just seem a little greasier.
No.
Yeah, you could see that pole just bouncing.
I know it was just taking line. It was like sticking.
Yeah.
Brian wasn't fast enough. He didn't get over it quick.
Well, you should have said it.
I wasn't there.
Kind of slowed down.
Stopped. Looked good to begin with. Maybe I should have been out here sooner, huh?
Yeah, well, you never know. Could hit a midday run.
Not today. There ain't anywhere. Is it going out? Oh. Got him. Oh, he got off. Where did he? No, he's still there. Thank. Oh yeah. He's a fighter. There we go. All right. fish. I guess the rainbows are really pretty. So yeah, it's feeling right. Nope. Took out about 2 feet of line. This one is called a forage minnow. It's red and pink. $5 on Amazon. I bought 2 of them, and within 5 minutes of fishing at Lake Delton, I got caught in the brush and lost one of them. Tom was laughing. I didn't think it was funny. Is it going out? Just sitting there. I guess we'll find out. Nothing. Nothing. He did pull out some line. A couple feet went out. And he got my minnow. That's a good sign. Oh. You want to get that transducer?
Oh, that's a good one.
I looked over, my poles just bent right over. That's a nice one. And we're done. A little bigger than the other ones, isn't it? Yeah, not much. It's about the same, 11 inches. Yeah, I looked over here, and my pole's like, frickin' it was almost touching the water. All done. Hopefully it's done.